The settings section houses a few important controls for Powerwall owners. Set a reserve percentage to ensure your Powerwall always has sufficient energy to support your backed up electrical loads in the event of a grid outage. Powerwall will maintain a charge level at or above your reserve unless there's an outage. The rest of its capacity will be used for daily cycling. You can also select your desired control mode. Self-powered maximizes the portion of your home's energy needs that's fulfilled by clean solar power. Excess solar energy stored in Powerwall during the day will be used to power your home after the sun goes down. This mode also minimizes your dependence on the grid. Time-based control maximizes your savings. Powerwall learns your consumption habits and automatically charges from solar and low-cost electricity from the grid to ensure that it can power your home when electricity from the grid is most expensive. Don't worry, you still produce the same amount of sustainable energy in this mode. You just send more of it to the grid for immediate use by your neighbors rather than storing more for yourself. Edit your custom rate plan to ensure your Powerwall knows when grid power is most and least expensive. Enable Stormwatch, and Powerwall will automatically prepare for upcoming weather events that are likely to cause grid outages. When Powerwall detects that an upcoming outage is likely, it fully charges and maintains a full charge until the threatening weather event has passed. Finally, if you have a Tesla vehicle that charges from Powerwall, set a threshold here to ensure that Powerwall saves enough energy for your home during an outage or when off-grid. The green percentage is the portion of Powerwall's energy that will be free to go to either your home or your vehicle. The blue percentage will be reserved for use by your home only. Once Powerwall drops to this charge level when disconnected from the grid, vehicle charging will stop to save energy for your home's critical loads.